After the death of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the Bhavani Talwar, his most powerful weapon, vanished without a trace. It was no ordinary sword. It was said to be blessed by the goddess Bhavani herself. But where did it go? This wasn't just a weapon. It was the soul of the Maratha Empire. Shivaji wielded it in countless battles, turning impossible odds into victory. But after his death, the sword story took a dark turn. One night, it simply vanished. Some believe it was stolen. Others whisper it was taken by Ashwathama, the immortal warrior from the Mahabharata. According to legend, Ashwathama guards divine weapons waiting to pass them on to Kalki, the final avatar of Vishnu, for the last battle. But then, centuries later, a pot maker digging near the fort made a shocking discovery. From that night on, no one saw the family again. The sword had vanished once more. Some say the sword is waiting hidden until the day it will fulfill its ultimate destiny. A sword lost to history or hidden for the future. Some legends never die, they wait for their moment to return. Jai Bholo Bhavani Mata Ki.